What?
I did not stuck them. I think we used the last one on Monday or whatever that day what that was.
I may have one on here.
I'll taste. Me and Chris got brought on initially to start this Johnson County program.
This particular work is actually being done through a program called JOCO Inflow, where the local sewer municipality is actually paying for this work. It's kind of cool. They see an issue where they have groundwater getting into the sanitary sewer systems, and so it's worthwhile for them to fund the correction of that.
Mitch kind of evolved it into the plumbers selling bigger jobs for us to do.
I'm never gonna pressure you into any sale. I'm gonna give you options, I'm gonna inform you in it, and it's what your mind wants to pick or what's gonna fit your budget the best.
It's more labor than replacing, water lines or drains above ground. Those are really the only ones that we're gonna get a little more of because it's more labor. Anything underground, I guess.